Hello and welcome to CMT Trade Fair in Stuttgart. I'm going to show you this Laika Kreos motorhome. For something like this, you are looking at a price in excess of €200,000 on a Fiat Ducato 789 centimeters long Laika Kreos H 510. I'm going to show it to you though quite quickly. It won't be an in-depth video. We've got a double floor, as you can see there. What stands out because of this integrated shape is of course the amount of space that you get within an integrated motorhome. Coming down the front, you can see that there is a door there. The colour scheme, well, Laika's been using this. It depends if you like it or not. Double floor, you can see you've got space not only for storage, but you've got your water tanks, you've got some of your electrical equipment. Another thing, this kitchen is absolutely outstanding, I'd have to say. Whether I want to pay €200,000 for it is another thing. Let's see if this thing here opens. It does indeed. And does this open? That opens as well. Problem here, 200,000 vehicle, and there's no, look at that. I would expect better. I like the use of this. You also used in death lifts and other models, not just from the Hymer group, but others as well. You've got a place here to dry your dishes and whatnot. And in here, we've got a sink. That opens up like that. Oh, and there's a message coming, so I'll just let the message talk. And okay, also this obviously is a German layout, so there will be a way of pushing a part of the bed in here as well. We've got the steps which have come down. You can't, when the steps are down, then you cannot open the wardrobe which is underneath, which I shall now demonstrate for you. I think that is also pretty brilliant. I really like that type of wardrobe. To me, I think that's super easy access, great to use. And there we have the toilet. Also note, you can close that up there, although there's nothing. Oh, sorry, there is a door here which slides across. I would point out though that when it's new it's okay, but after a while it's going to, obviously I'm exaggerating a bit, but it's, when you've had them for a few years, they've gone down a few Italian streets, it's going to make a dreadful racket. Now, there's another feature up here. It's this, which I didn't show. This is the bed. You can't actually tell there's a double bed up there. It's been very well integrated into the roof of the vehicle. That, I think, is really quite outstanding. Very well done on that one. Okay, good. So there you have a quick look at the vehicle. Let's have a look at the garage door. This one comes up like that. Don't know if that's more or less inconvenient. Garage is itself magnificent. Huge amount of space in there to play with. Nice looking rear as well. Just like me, a nice looking rear. Right, there's the door, window in the door. How many security points is there? 3. Good, so we've got 3 locks on the door. Mind you, I'd expect 3 at this price. Oh, so it's got, there you are, the Motorhome Awards, MMM 2024 German Design Award. I need to point out, any magazine which gives awards tends to give awards to its advertisers. This needs to be understood. I worked in the publishing business, and the biggest single problem is getting adverts, because adverts pay for things. Also, thing refers to people who do videos and put them up on YouTube. I don't take money from anyone. So that's why you get from me unbiased accounts, but those that most people, or not most, but some people are taking money, and they say good things about anything. If you ever look at a review on a car magazine or something like that, they can't say bad things about it. They might sometimes make really, really tiny. I was given the example of somebody who got a Testarossa, the Ferrari Testarossa. They did it. They got there. They couldn't get into it because the keys didn't work. Then they couldn't start the engine. Then it broke down 2 or 3 times. When eventually got published, they said that it was fantastic, except just that the boot was a little too small. So that is one of the reasons why it's difficult to actually believe anything you see, which for people who need the money for advertising purposes. Let's have a quick walk around now the Laika stand. You can see some of these other vehicles which are rather expensive. Laika is part of the Hymer group, and the cost of the vehicles, whereas it is placed below that of the Hymer brand vehicle, not the Hymer company, but Hymer brand vehicles. That's his marketing position. I'd have to say that the costs are greater. It does have a somewhat unique market position, though. Look, here, we've got this here in front of me. This it's a camper van, EcoVip camper van, and this thing here for a camper van. There's the price: 96,000, a 6-meter Fiat Ducato camper van at 96,000. You got a proper table as you come in, so that's an easy entry. This is what it looks like inside, and now, is there any difference between this camper van and what you get from Forster, for example, for 30,000 euros less? Is it any better made? The only thing you're getting is a sort of a style and look. I'm now going to check if the rear doors have been insulated or not. There you go. There's the test of quality, and let's see. It is insulated. Right, also here, okay, it looks nice, but I mean the cost. Okay, good. Right, I shall take you back round now. We'll have a walk back round here, and I've done most of these vehicles in more detail. There are links below. Thanks for actually being with me and watching it. It's very difficult to actually film something when there's people around because well, you don't want to get in people's way. Some of these people have paid a lot of money to come here, and others will be paying a lot more for the vehicle. There you go, a 200,000 euro motorhome from Laika. Thanks very much for watching.